is this?
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, and this video is gonna be a one-take video except this part. Okay, one take from here. So a big old box came. Before we do that, isn't this shirt awesome? Like I'm gonna get a little closer. Like it's a bunch of controllers. It's a bunch of controllers and systems shaped like Pac-Man. Not a sponsor, because I still need that bucket of money. I bought this from Amazon. I'll put the link below if you're interested in it. I forgot what it costs, but like the only bad thing, it smelled like a new shirt. Like, you know, like they just put it. Oh, because I didn't, because I was kind of scared to wash it and mess up. I don't know. But like it's nice and there's nothing in the back. But yeah, just wanted to share that. Today, well, this came in a couple of days ago. As you see, this big box is Forza 4, Horizon 4. That's important to note because that's the Forza I actually like. I like the non-realistic. Well, it's realistic, but you know what I mean. It's not that on the track type racing. This is off-road, and so Forza Horizons has always been one of my favorites. Before that was Burnout. Burnout was Takedown? What's it called? That Burnout Takedown? I forgot what that one was called on a 360. That was Revenge. That was like, I think that was my first one. Burnout Takedown. You do takedowns and Burnout. And then did they get folded into? No. They got folded into another company that does. I think EA bought them, and they do a thing. So this is Microsoft's thing, and they set this big. It's actually like thin, but it's big. Kind of like Reverse Me, you know, thin and now I'm starting to. Anyway, okay, I've already got you. So let's go ahead and just open this and see what's up. Yeah, it says spring changes everything. I do not know what this is, so maybe I titled this mystery box because that is true. Think of this as a live show. Like, because I'm opening it for the first time. I don't know what's in here. It's true I know what's in here when I'm putting the video up, but it's still a mystery because I'm discovering just like you. And a regular knife would have been so much easier, but I got to do it the hard way. Okay, so let me lower this a little bit. Love this table. Okay, and okay, here we go. I'm gonna open, and I mean it can't be anything crazy. So let's just see. Disclosure: they did send me a code for the game. Thank you, Xbox, for that. Always remember to do my disclosures because some people don't, and there's another box in here. It's like, really? Thanks, guys. Yeah, but yeah, they sent me a code for the game, and so I had a chance to check that. What is going on? If you don't, oh, I almost hit the camera. Yeah, so I had a chance to check that. But like, beautiful. You see me stalling. I'm not editing this. I'm really busy today, so just want to get this out. But yeah, really beautiful, stunning game. It comes out. I just looked this up on my phone. October 2nd. October 2nd is when it drops. And I believe it's going to be on Game Pass as well. I think all first-party Xbox games are on Game Pass. And if this is not correct, I'll put something on the screen and say, oops, I did it again. But no, I think it's on there. So if you have Game Pass, you don't have to spend the $60 for the game. So yeah, that's cool. I guess I have Game Pass too, but I guess the benefit of me getting a code is that I get it early. So that's cool. I've been enjoying it. All right. So what is this? So they put some, is this rose petals? Are y'all trying to marry me? I mean, I've already agreed to marry y'all. Okay, there are several things. What is this? There are several things in here. You know, they didn't even tell me this was coming. This just showed up. What is this? What? Okay, is this about the changing seasons? Because that's one of the things about the game is that it has dynamic changing seasons, and I think I don't know if it changes every week or every time you play or whatever, something like that. But okay. Oh man. Okay, I'm sorry. This is as you see there. Can see if I can read it with you. I can't. This is too far away. English country garden, low growth sunflowers, zinnias, and forget-me-nots. Did y'all just send me some garden? You know what? I think sometimes Xbox. You remember when they sent me those cases of the games, 100 cases to like promote the Game Pass. I think sometimes they be in their closet, like, you know what, the maintenance, they were working out in the garden out in Microsoft campus, and we got some extra flowers. Let's just send these to Lamarr. He'll unbox anything. Like if there was a note, I feel like it would be better. There was no note on the top of this. No, this is just packaging. That okay? I don't. Oh, wait, yeah. There's a cup. There's an Xbox. They sent me This is gardening. this, this. Oh, you don't say Xbox on that side. Like what is going on here? They sent me flowers. And we got these fake flowers in here, these petals. I put those on the bed. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna show up. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and open this. That was real right there. That was got a little emotional there. That's okay. Pac-Man is there for me. And let's open this up. What is this? Yeah, they sent me seeds. Here's the funny thing. I used to have I talked about this in my live show on Instagram. I used to have like 2 days ago. I used to have a green thumb. I used to grow a lot of things. So I was really into gardening back in the day. Back in the day means when I was a kid, teenager. I hate that I lost that. Yeah, just want to get my face out of there anyway. You can just see what these are. Let me let y'all know at Microsoft, because I know y'all having a good laugh right now. This is dirt. Oh my God. I'm not opening these. I am at home. Why would you I smell it. This is dirt. Cause this is the thing that they want me to put. And it has holes on the bottom. See, I can't do this all today. Oh my, okay. I'm gonna think about it. I know you want me to open this, but like it's literally dirt. If I open this right now, it's gonna be. Wait, hold on. No, there's a Ziploc thing. Hold on. Actually smells good. Okay. Just to prove, I don't want this to fall out. I just want to prove to you that it's soil. Here, I have to take it out. Okay. See that it's so, now my hands. And now my table. There better not be any roaches in here. Okay. They having a good laugh. I'm telling you, the gardener ordered some extra stuff, and they were like, "What are we gonna do all these things?" Well, we gotta promote Forza Horizon 4. Let's like Lamarr guy, he needs stuff to unbox every day. Let's just send him some extra dirt and some seeds because we were over inventory in our garden. So I'm guessing that this is the planter. Look at all this dirt everywhere. I should never have taken it out. Oh my God. I gotta wash my hand. Actually, soil is probably better than, yeah, it's leaking. It's leaking. Yeah, well, it's not closed. It's not Ziploc. This is crap lock. It's the cousin. All right. Now there's air in there and I can't pull. Are you enjoying my process here? Like, I am not editing this. You are getting the raw Lamarr. There's something else in that box. Just hold on. Yeah, now oh God, now there's air. Oh, okay, I'll deal with that later. This was nice and air packed right here. And then the seeds. I know this is the planter, but if I put this in here, there are holes in the bottom, and there's gonna be dirt everywhere. I guess. The solution is to put this right. Hold on. There's tape down here. I'm guessing. Yeah, that you put it like that. Okay, and then you make the. You know what? Okay, let me just look. More bubble wrap. I'll do this. Oh, yes. That was satisfying. There's a ton of flowers in here. And I think there's an American flag. I think, it's a It's an umbrella. It's an American flag umbrella. It says Charles Tyrwhitt. Is that the brand? Because I don't buy name brand stuff. I'm poor. Yeah. It. I am curious to know the thought process behind this. What? Okay, this is the cover. I haven't had an umbrella. I live in LA. I don't even, like the. I'm gonna be honest with you. Because I did switch cars since I've been here, but when I did that last year, I had two umbrellas in the back seat of my car. They were on the floor from when I was in Chicago, and I have never used those since here. I still have those umbrellas. They're in my new car, but I've never used them. So this, how do you? it, okay, it was stuck. Oh, this is not America. I'm sorry. I said American flag. This is like British, right? UK. I'm so sorry. It's still we came from y'all. Well, I didn't. I came from other places that they dragged me. Anyway, but yeah. I'm sorry. This is because I'm guessing this is one of the tracks. This has to be a theme, and I think there's something in there. So yeah, because this is a very English type of umbrella, and it says London here as the brand. So what else is in here? I saw a piece of paper. Here we go. Here we go. Spring changes everything. Hence, we're going into winter in real life, but they go for the first time in the racing and driving genre. Experience dynamic seasons. We talked about that earlier, and a shared open world. Explore beautiful scenery. Collect over 450 cars. That's a lot of cars, and become a Horizon superstar in historic Britain. So Horizon 4's theme, Forza Horizon 4's theme, make sure I said the whole name right, is placed in Britain. Okay, I knew that, but didn't put this together with that. So sorry about that. I said American flag. I know. And Forza Horizon 4 seasons change everything. Seasons change, people change. I've been so glad I found you, and it seems like yesterday. It's a song. With this spring kit, plant some flowers so you can reminisce about the ones you drifted over as you went off road in the English countryside. Feel free to spread the Tudor Tudor. I know it's an English thing. Tudor or Tudors. I don't know. Hodor. I'm sorry. Rose petals around your home too. I am not putting these around. Look, I like the game, but I have limits. Who gonna clean this up? I live alone. Um, let's see. When you step out in the real world, keep the rain away. I'm glad I got this last because it led to the surprise of all this. Like I'm glad this was buried at the bottom. This is because we got to experience this together. When you step out in the real world, keep the rain away with the very own Union Jack umbrella. Okay, that makes sense. You're basically in Britain now. So with the kind of flowers they have here, the umbrella, the rose petals, the bubble wrap, the waterer for this that is actually really cool. Xbox plant water that's actually awesome. Yeah, they really got into the theme of this Forza Horizon thing. So listen, I'm just like what? So here's what I'll do. I want to do this like I do because it's like always nice here, and I don't have any plants. So how about I do this, and we won't make it another YouTube episode, although I'll show it in a future YouTube. But maybe on Instagram Live, I'll do the process of putting this together, or I'll just do it and show it. Either so, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Hint, hint. And then in a future YouTube video, I will just show you the results. I can't believe I'm gonna actually do this. I'm gonna get my green thumb back, and I'm gonna plant these. So. But at the minimum, thank you all, Xbox, even though you messed up my table. Thank you for sending this. I mean, I'm going to be remembering Forza a lot because of this. Listen, if you all want to get Forza, I will put the link to that below. I'll also put a link down to Xbox Game Pass. Real talk, I think that's a better deal. Just get the Game Pass, $9.95 a month, and you get the game. Even if you cancel it in a month, you only pay $60 for a game. So I'm just saying that's a good deal. I'll put a link to both. and maybe it'll be an Amazon link or something. That helps me out a little bit. But yeah, I'm just more concerned about people getting I think Xbox Game Pass is a good deal. PlayStation finally did the downloads with theirs, or they're going to. So there'll be some actual competition. It used to be just streaming in PlayStation now, so they changed that. Not sorry, Xbox, that I mentioned PlayStation. You ain't paying me no money. So anyway, there's the letter if you all want to like screen cap that. I think this was funny. And so, guys, thanks so much for watching. I know this was just rambling one take. Maybe I should start doing live stuff because I was able to hold your attention, well, at least most of you, or some of you, for this whole time without stopping or skipping a beat. So, yeah, I don't think I'm set for live. If you think I would be good for live, let me know in the comments below or thumb up the video. I've been thinking about it, and I don't know. It's a whole nother job. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and I ain't gotta edit this. Just set that one part in the beginning, and I'm gonna put this up in about 30 minutes. I'll see y'all later. Bye.